Hello everyone, and welcome back to How to Motion channel. Today, we're diving into the world of home security with the CP Plus Wi-Fi Home CCTV camera, model E325A. This 2-megapixel Full HD camera promises to enhance your home's security with its 360-degree view and smart features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. In the box, you'll find the camera itself, a power adapter, mounting screws, and a quick start guide. The first thing you notice is the sleek design of the camera. It's compact and feels sturdy, which is always a good sign. Setting up the CP Plus E325A is straightforward. You simply download the CP Plus app, create an account, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Mounting the camera is also easy, thanks to the included screws and the flexible design that allows for both wall and ceiling installations. This camera is packed with features. The Full HD resolution ensures that the video quality is crisp and clear, even in low-light conditions, thanks to its infrared lights. The 360-degree view is a game-changer, allowing you to monitor an entire room without any blind spots. Motion tracking is another standout feature. The camera automatically follows movement, ensuring that any activity is captured. You also get motion detection alerts on your phone, so you're always informed of any suspicious activity, no matter where. After using the CP Plus E325A for a week, I'm impressed. The video quality, both during the day and at night, is exceptional. The motion tracking works seamlessly, and the motion detection alerts are prompt and accurate. The app is user-friendly, making it easy to review footage or change settings. Let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, you have excellent video quality, reliable motion tracking, and a comprehensive 360-degree view. The main drawback is the need for a constant power supply, limiting where you can place the camera. Additionally, while the app is generally great, it can be a bit slow to load at times.